First, take a look at this YouTube channel. It has only 13 videos, yet it already has more than 11,000 subscribers. And that's not even the most shocking part. The channel has generated around $2,800 in income. Crazy, right? Now you might be wondering, how is this possible? Did the creator spend years building the channel? Did he hire a big team? Did he buy expensive equipment? No, he simply used AI tools to create videos and uploaded them to YouTube. That's it. No camera, no studio, no professional editing skills, just AI and a smart content strategy. Now let's jump into ChatGPT and enter the prompt. I know a lot of people struggle with prompts. Most people don't know what to write, how to structure it, or how to get the best possible results. But don't worry, I've already done the hard work for you. I spent time testing, refining, and optimizing this prompt to make sure it generates high-quality results. In fact, this is the exact prompt I used to generate the story package you're seeing right now. So, you don't need to start from scratch. Your job is simple. Just copy the prompt from the description and paste it into ChatGPT. That's it. And before we continue, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps the channel grow and motivates me to create more valuable content like this. Now here's where things get interesting. Once you paste this prompt into ChatGPT, it will generate a complete storytelling package for you. You'll get a story title, story summary, scene-by-scene structure, narration script, image prompts, animation prompts, thumbnail prompts, and much more. Everything will be organized and ready to use. And the best part? The output is designed to match the same style of viral videos that are getting millions of views right now. But here's something most beginners don't understand. The quality of your results depends heavily on the quality of your prompt. If your prompt is weak, your output will be weak. Your stories won't be engaging. Your images won't look professional. And your videos will struggle to stand out. That's why a powerful prompt is so important. It can be the difference between a video that gets ignored and a video that attracts thousands of views. So don't waste hours guessing what to write. Use a proven prompt, focus on execution, stay consistent, and keep improving your content. Because in today's AI era, success is no longer about working harder. It's about using the right tools and the right strategy. Now go ahead, copy the prompt, test it yourself, and start creating your own viral AI videos today. Now let's come to Flow AI and understand which tool I used. The main reason I chose this tool is because of its powerful and user-friendly system. All you need to do is log in using your Gmail account, no complicated steps at all. Once you log in, you instantly unlock Nano Banana and Nano Banana Pro features. And the best part is both options are completely free to use. Yes, absolutely free with no hidden charges or subscriptions. You can generate 10 images, 50 images, or even hundreds without any limitation. This makes it perfect for beginners as well as advanced content creators. Now here comes the real magic of this tool. Just copy your prompt from the ChatGPT platform, then paste it into Flow AI and let the system do everything automatically. Within minutes, all your images will be generated in front of you. And when you see the results, you'll honestly be surprised. The image quality is extremely sharp, detailed, and professional. It feels like premium content, but you're getting it completely free. You don't need any editing skills, voiceovers, or background music. Everything is handled by AI in a simple and efficient way. This is a hidden opportunity that many people still don't know about. That's exactly why I created this channel, to guide you step by step. So follow along carefully, because this can truly change your content game. Now let's move to the AI tool we're going to use. The name of the tool is Akool Ai. And before anyone asks, no, this is not a paid promotion or sponsored collaboration. I'm sharing this tool because I've personally tested it and found it very useful for creating AI content. The best part? You can use many of its features for free. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to access and use those free features without spending any money. Akool AI is much more than just a simple AI tool. It gives you access to multiple powerful AI models and features in one place. You can use advanced image generation models, AI video creation tools, GPT models, and many other AI features that help speed up your content creation process. Instead of opening multiple websites and tools, you can do most of your work from a single platform. This can save you a lot of time and effort. So now, let's jump into Akool AI, create an account, and I'll show you step-by-step how to use it to create amazing AI content completely free. Now, click on the sign up button. The good thing is that you don't even need to use your personal email address. You can simply use a temporary email. Just copy a temp email address and paste it here. After that, complete a few basic details like your username and password. Once you're done, Akool will send a verification code to your email. Go back to your temporary email inbox, copy the opcode, and paste it here. And boom, you're inside the platform. Now, when I first signed up and saw the credits in my account, I was honestly shocked. At first, I thought 30 credits wouldn't be enough. But trust me, if you use them wisely, you can create multiple videos with these free credits. So let me show you exactly how. First, go to the image to video section. Here you'll see many powerful AI models available, including Veo, Cedence, Kling AI, and several others. However, most of those models require paid credits. Since we're focusing on free methods, we'll use the Akool model because it's completely free to test with your sign-up credits. Now upload the image you generated earlier. Then paste your animation prompt into the prompt box. After that, choose your video quality settings. You'll notice that even a 4K option is available, which is honestly impressive for a platform offering free credits. However, 4K consumes a lot of credits. So for this tutorial, I recommend choosing 1080p quality. It looks professional and gives excellent results while using fewer credits. For a 10-second video, 1080p uses around 12 credits. If you want to save even more credits, you can select 720p, which uses fewer credits while still producing good quality. The choice is yours. Personally, I prefer 1080p because it offers the best balance between quality and credit usage. Now click on Generate. The AI will start processing your video. Since we're using the free plan, it may take around 2 to 3 minutes. Sometimes it can be even faster. So don't worry if it doesn't appear instantly. Just be patient. Once your video is ready, watch it carefully before downloading. And wow, look at the result. The animation is smooth.
Test by stable parrot, a gentle weeds. They cheater fast, they're like me. I don't be test by stable parrot.
The movements look natural. The quality is surprisingly good. The visuals look cinematic. And considering that we're using free credits, the output is honestly impressive. Most people would never guess that this video was created using a free AI tool. Let's generate one more example. We'll use another image, follow the same process, select our preferred quality, and click Generate again. It's really that simple. And that's only one feature of Akool AI. The platform includes several other AI tools and features that you can explore later. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others.